Are you tired of starting your fitness journey only to quit after a few weeks? Maybe you feel overwhelmed by all the advice out there. One expert says keto, another says weightlifting, and then someone throws in intermittent fasting. Confusing, right? Here's the truth. Fitness is simpler than you think. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to start your fitness journey in 2025. From workouts to diet to mindset. Stick around because I'll also share the mistakes that most beginners make that could be holding you back. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, step-by-step guide to kickstart your fitness journey, even if you're starting from scratch. Part 1. Why most people fail at fitness. Let's begin with why so many people fail. Think about this. When was the last time you decided to get fit? What did you do? You probably joined a gym, started eating salads, and maybe even bought a fancy supplement. But within weeks, you felt tired, frustrated, and gave up. This happens because most beginners try to change everything overnight. They forget that fitness isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And here's the truth. You don't need a perfect diet, a gym membership, or expensive programs to start. What you need is a foundation, a system that's simple, effective, and sustainable. Let's build that system together. Part 2. Building a beginner-friendly workout routine. You've probably seen those insane workout videos on social media, people lifting heavy weights or running for miles. But as a beginner, here's the golden rule. Keep it simple. Fitness isn't about doing more, it's about doing what works for you. Step 1. Start with body weight movements. Body weight exercises are perfect for building strength and stability. Here's a 3-day plan to get started. Day 1. Push workout. In day 1, you have to follow the push workout routine, which includes exercises like push-ups, shoulder taps, and triceps dips. These build your upper body. Day 2. Pull workout. In day 2, you have to follow the pull workout routine, which includes exercises like rows, using resistance bands, or even a water bottle, plus deadlifts with light weights. Day 3. Legs workout. In day 3, you have to follow the legs workout routine, which includes exercises like squats, lunges, and step-ups for lower body strength. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Focus on your form. Don't rush. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 2. Add cardio. Slowly. Don't think of cardio as punishment. It can be as simple as a brisk walk, dancing, or cycling. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Choose an activity you enjoy so it feels less like a chore and more like fun. Step 3. Flexibility and mobility. This is where most people slack off, but it's crucial. Stretching after your workout prevents injuries and boosts recovery. Try yoga poses like the child's pose, downward dog, or cobra stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. Your body will thank you. Part 3. The 2025 diet formula. Let's move to the most confusing part, diet. Now let's talk about food. Most people think fitness is 80% diet and 20% exercise. While it's not an exact formula, what you eat plays a huge role. But here's the reality. You don't need a diet. You need balance. Step 1. Eat to fuel your body. Think of your body as a machine. The better you fuel it, the better it performs. Focus on 3 key nutrients. First, protein. For muscle recovery and growth, include lentils, eggs, paneer, tofu, or nuts in every meal. Aim for at least 1 gram per kilogram of body weight. Second, carbs. Your body's primary energy source. Choose complex carbs like oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or whole grain bread. And last, fats. Essential for hormones and brain health. Include healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or seeds in your diet. Step 2. Portion control. Instead of cutting out foods, control your portions. Use the plate method. Half your plate veggies, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 carbs. It's simple and sustainable. Step 3. Hydration. This is underrated but essential. Dehydration can make you feel tired and hungry. Start your day with a glass of water and carry a water bottle to stay hydrated. And here's a pro tip. Forget extreme diets. Instead, focus on creating meals that satisfy you and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Part 4. Mindset. The real game changer. Now let's talk about the most important part, your mindset. This is what separates those who succeed succeed from those who give up. Shift 1. Stop chasing quick fixes. Social media is full of 7-day challenges and 30-day transformations. But the truth? Real fitness takes time. Shift your focus from quick results to long-term consistency. Shift 2. Fall in love with the process. Don't think of workouts as punishment. Think of them as a way to feel stronger and healthier. Celebrate small wins, like finishing a workout or choosing a healthy snack over junk food. Shift 3. Accountability. Set clear, achievable goals and track them. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Google Fit can help you stay on track. Even better, find a friend or community to share your journey with. You'll feel more motivated when you're not alone. Part 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Before we wrap up, let me save you from some common mistakes. Number 1. Skipping warm-ups. Always warm up before exercising. Dynamic stretches like arm swings, leg kicks, or jumping jacks prepare your body for movement. Number 2. Overtraining. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. Aim for 1 to 2 rest days per week. Number 3. Obsessing over the scale. Fitness is more than a number. Focus on how you feel. Your energy, strength, and confidence matter more than your weight. Part 6. The Beginner's Action Plan. Here's your step-by-step fitness plan for 2025. Start with a 3-day body weight workout routine. Add 20 to 30 minutes of fun cardio 3 times a week. Eat balanced meals with plenty of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and track your progress using simple tools. Focus on progress, not perfection. This is your journey. And final words. Remember, fitness isn't about following trends or doing what everyone else is doing. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. In 2025, let's make fitness simple, achievable, and a part of your life, not something you dread. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more practical tips to help you on your journey. Let's make this year your strongest yet.